Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
The Overflow icon in Microsoft Outlook is a small but essential tool designed to keep your workspace clean and organized. You will usually see it represented as 3 horizontal or vertical dots, often referred to as the ellipsis menu. Its primary purpose is to hold extra features and commands that do not fit in the main view of your toolbar or navigation pane. Because screen space is limited, Microsoft hides secondary options behind this icon to prevent the interface from looking cluttered. You can find the Overflow icon in several different places depending on which version of Outlook you are using. On the main navigation bar, it often contains shortcuts to tasks, notes, or folders that are not pinned to your sidebar. Inside an individual email, the 3 dots are located in the top right corner of the message window. Clicking this icon reveals advanced actions like viewing the message source, printing, or categorizing the email. If you are looking at the ribbon at the top of your screen, the Overflow icon appears when your window is too small to show every button. It ensures that you always have access to every tool without sacrificing a simple design. Think of it as a More Options button that expands your capabilities with a single click. Understanding this icon helps you navigate the software more efficiently because it allows you to customize your experience. You can often drag and drop items from the Overflow menu back onto your main bar if you use them frequently. This icon bridges the gap between a minimalist look and a powerful set of communication tools.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.